So hello and welcome everyone to a new video. I am Aditya, and in this video, before we start to do anything, let me just tell you about in our last video someone told us that we should record our audio in a different device and a video in a different device. So let's just try it out and let us just try it out. How does it work? So I have my secondary device over here. It is recording my audio, and I have my camera over here. It is recording my camera. So the topic of this video is, why do I suggest this? Because the pros are you can edit, cut or trim, or you can do anything. You can add music, you can fast forward your footage, or you can do anything. But the cons are that you can set multiple timelines over here. So let's get straight into the screen recorder. So just come to the Play Store and just download the Vita app. So as I have already downloaded, it will open for me in quite a few seconds. So let's create a new project from here. Let's select this footage from here, and it's loading. Now we have got this footage. So if we want to take a particular part from a place which we think it is not necessary for us, so we'll click on split once, and till here I don't want this, so we'll again just click on split, and I don't want this part in the middle, so I'll just cut it off. So if you want this part to just speed up, so I'll just increase the speed, or if I want to decrease, I'll just decrease the speed. And you got to see a lot of more tools and things over here. You can even add sound, you can give out voiceover by record, you can add some effects. For effects you will have to download some effects, you will not get pre-installed effects. So you can even add some music, you get the official Vita music also, but for that it will be a very net consuming task. So it is better you can take your own file of music. Then you can even take a template from here, which is currently unavailable for me. You can even add a video, and if you want to add a video in between, like if you want to add a meme, so just split it up in between and come over here and click on this plus. So let me just do it and show you. So come over here, select this and click on split, and come over here, just you need to click on this add, and let's take for example you want to take this, so we'll just take it up and we'll add this. So you can see that our meme has been applied very successfully over here. And if you want to give any voiceover, if you want to add some text, you can add like hello, and you can even change its font, hello sir font. You can even change, but you have to download all the fonts. You can even come to style and you can change the color, you can change the grading from here. You can even add captions, you can even give animation to this. Yes, you can give animation. What I did was I just click on this, means you can see a cross over here, and opposite to that you can see a circle type of thing. You can just click on that and you will get a hell lot of animations over here, like this. That depends on you which one you are going to choose and what are your intentions, what you want to show your audience. As I have been a short creator, so I have been using this Vita app for the last 5 to 6 months, and for some reason there was some controversy, so my old channel got deleted. So that's all I can teach you, means I can just tell you what and all you can do with each and every tool. It depends on you how you are going to use it. I cannot teach you everything. You need to come over here, explore. You can add some filters, like you have to download it, you have to see which filter suits me very well, what I want to show. After this, after completing whatever the cuts and adding the text and adding the music or doing all the animations, then you can just click on export. You can even change your resolution from 1080p full HD to 720p HD to 480p HD, whatever you wish. Like you can just click on export, and this depends on your device. Actually my footage was also quite short, so It did not take too much time, otherwise this mobile takes more than 5 to 6 minutes and it irritates a lot. So the reason for me suggesting you only Vita app is not suggesting you KindMaster and the other apps, because Vita app doesn't give any of the watermark and it is completely free. Only the con is that you cannot do multiple timeline. Other all the features are free. You can add memes, you can add music, you can give voiceover, you can speed up, you can even do fast forward, you can cut in between, you can even split up. So you can do a hell lot of things. Just you need to do is you have to explore everything by yourself. In a video I cannot explain you everything. So that is all it for today, guys. Meet you in the next time. This is Aditya signing off. Bye bye.